Thank you again for visiting National Gear Repair. We just got done doing a complete rebuild on our Knodler gearbox. We just did a complete rebuild on it. We buried and sealed, repaired the shaft seal areas, buried marine areas, set the proper floats and preloads, and now we're going to put it on our testing bench, test the gearbox for about 3 to 4 hours, make sure there's no vibration, no leaking, no overheating. Once we see that is all good, then we will prepare for shipment, ship back to the client. Thank you again for visiting National Gear Repair. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.